because all the skips here, there are intervals, seconds, thirds, right? And each of these intervals could be different size. Remember we talked with you about half steps and whole steps. Remember? Yeah, so half step is the closest distance in between. A whole step consists of 2 half steps, right? So when we talk about, and the same with the interval second. Half step is the minor second, and whole step is the major second. Then 3 half steps, 1, 2, 3, is the minor third. And this is the major third. That's how we build minor triad and major triad. Because of this interval that creates minor, this is major. So when our 7th chord that consists of 3 skips has all the minor thirds, all of them 3 half steps, it's called diminished, small. And it sounds very kind of mysterious and tense a little bit, right? And we have the whole 2 measures with you with this chord. And then in G minor. This G minor is even not completely resolved yet, and only here we resolve. And then we move here. Okay, let's try from C minor. Power here and confidence. Diminished is kind of, oh, I'm so worried. Oh, I'm so, And here, major. Yes? So let's try from this G minor. This E flat major. So interesting. Look, these are exactly to the same, right? But this is still forte, and then the same piano before it goes back to G minor. Can we try this too? Like echo. Good. So let's try again from E flat major. After E flat major, we have the beginning and see how you can get. I don't even care about this page. I want to see how you can get through this part B. Let's start from the beginning. No, it's kind of, it doesn't express anything. We want to create, from the first note, we want to create certain atmosphere. So you need to pre-hear what happens next. Listen to this note.